channel, or welcome to my channel review. It's LoveKeebuu, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing slash doing a first impression of the Maybelline's Ultra Thin Brow Pencil in the shade Deepest Brown. And if at any point you find that you are enjoying this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you will be notified of when I post new videos. So this is going to be a first impressions video of the Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim pencil. I literally just heard about this pencil yesterday from Jen Im's channel from her monthly favorites video. Picked it up yesterday, my first time hearing about it, first time trying it. Before I get into the video, I just want to list some specifications about this product. This is supposed to come with a 1.5 milliliter pencil, which is super thin and super precise. It is supposed to give you precise brows that kind of mimic your own natural hairs. It also claims to be long lasting, so as always I will do a full day's wear test and let you guys know if it is long lasting by the end of the day. So don't forget to don't forget to wait until the end of the video to see that part. It also says that it is supposed to have no color streaks and no breakage, so we'll definitely take note of that when I am applying it. All in all, this pencil is supposed to give you the most natural looking brow, and it comes in 6 different shades. Again, I got the color in Deepest Brown. Deep brown. They also have black brown, which is the last color, and I would have gotten that color, but they didn't even have that color at my Target, so this should do. A deep brown should do well. And please forgive me guys, this is my first time doing it on my new 70D camera, so yeah, I'm gonna try to apply this just using my screen in front of me. I'm not using an actual mirror, so hopefully this works out. Look how tiny this thing is. It is so skinny. I'm a little intimidated. I don't know if you could tell how tiny it is, but it's like smaller than a pencil. I have used the Anastasia Brow Beverly Hills, so I will be able to compare it to that. I constantly gravitate towards the Anastasia Beverly Hills. I don't feel like paying $20 at the moment for it, so that's why I wanted to try this out, because this pencil, I forgot to say the price of this pencil. This was $8 at Target, so a little bit more affordable than the Anastasia. Okay, so I'm first going to start with a spoolie. So this is the spoolie. It's a little bit more sparse than the Anastasia Brow is. The Anastasia, I feel like they're more close together, these little brushes right here. So far, I'm liking this brush. Ooh. So this isn't exactly how they told you to do it on the website, but this is how I normally do my brows, so yeah, that's how I'm doing it. I have to fill in this part. This part right here is a little sparse, so I'm gonna go ahead and fill this in. Call me crazy, but this might be the best brow pencil I've ever used. It just might be better than the Anastasia. It is also legit, hands down, the perfect shade. Like, just look, you can see. Oh my god. You can literally see it is identical to my brow color. And that's a hard thing to do. I don't feel in this portion all the time, even though I do think when you are taking photos, it does look nicer. When you're just like out and about, sometimes it could be like a little too dramatic, but whenever you're taking photos, I feel like it's always best to just fill this part in. So I'm also trying this thing where I'm trying to put in my brows more in, how do I say it? I'm trying to draw the line longer towards my bridge right here. Through my observation, I feel like it's a lot more attractive when your brow is a lot longer. And then brush some of the product upwards so that I don't have this like harsh line. this is kind of what they want you to do, is try to mimic your natural hairs. So normally I would go across the top and fill this in, but I'm going to create upward strokes to make it look like actual brow hairs. If this works, I just might go back to Jen Im's channel and look at all her monthly favorites, because this is honestly the best my brow has ever looked. Not only the best, but the most natural looking. Like, I'm dying on the inside right now because for years I've struggled with my brows. I just can't do good brows. Anastasia was the closest I got to getting nice brows, but again, I think this is better, and that's gonna save me like $10. I'm gonna try to fix this tail because it looks a little uneven, like it's dark right here and then it ends and then it fades right here. So I'm gonna try to clean that up a bit. Let's see if I can. I could just stop here. I think we're good. We have some like dark spots and light parts. I'm trying to make it all like, you could see it's a little dark right here and then it ends and then it gets light. So maybe if I get the deep, or the, what was it, brown black shade, it might be even better. So maybe, and this is what Jen did, is that on the inner part she did the lighter shade, and then on the outer part she did the darker shade. So I might do that. I would say I'm pretty much done with this brow. I don't know what you guys think. I could probably take it up a notch and perfect it a little bit more. I could also probably go on the top. So because normally I would just leave it like this. This is because I don't like it to look too drawn on. I like it to look more natural, so when I don't do the top I feel like it looks more natural. I'm just gonna go all out and then fill in the top portion of my brow and see if I can still get that natural look. I really like how you could kind of get in there and fill it in and it doesn't look too harsh, because that always happens to me, and that's why a lot of times I don't do the top, because you could just instantly tell that it's a fake brow and it's just too much. So I'm really liking this. Okay, that's with the top filled in. What do you guys think? I'm liking it. I'm liking it a lot, actually. And then I could go ahead and blend it. I'm happy that focused. Yay, that's so cool. Okay, so I'm going to take my Nars Creamy Concealer. This is in the color Ginger. Ginger sounds good right now, like pumpkin spice latte or ginger snap cookies. That sounds really good. Only because I'm on my period. What do you guys think? Do you like it better this way or without the top filled in? Using this pencil is really easy. Like the easiest one I've used yet. It's actually not using too much product, because normally with other brow pencils, especially the Anastasia one, I have to like twist it up every so now and then, but this time I can honestly do like one brow without having to twist it back up. I'm going to set one brow, and then the other brow I'm not going to set it, and then we'll see. So by the end of the day, I can let you guys know if it holds up without brow gel or not. This one is so freaking easy to use. You can go in and just kind of like color in your brow, because usually you can't color in your brow because it'll look too dark. But with this one, I kept coloring it in and they still look natural. Like, it's amazing. This looks like my natural brow. Just at the edges, again, I'm gonna get a darker shade to fill that in. It still doesn't look that bad. This is the side that was giving me problems, and it still doesn't look that bad. I was not expecting it to work that well. Hey guys, so I am back. It's been almost an entire day. So we're going to see how the brows turned out. This is what they're looking like so far, and I'm gonna go ahead and look at them in the mirror. So there is a little bit of fading, as you can see right here and up here. So let's see, this is the side that I put the brow gel on, and the brow gel didn't hold very well because these pieces are falling a little bit. And then this side actually did better than this side. So overall, in terms of long lasting, I wouldn't say so much, but it's not a huge deal. I mean, I personally don't mind that look that much. The edges are still nice and clean. So like I said, it's not a huge deal for me. I really do like it. And so far, this is one of my favorite. Overall, my opinion of this brow pencil, honestly, my favorite one that I've tried so far. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and also don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified of when I post new videos. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I'll see you all in another one. Bye!